Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can use a single name on Facebook as your profile. So all you need to do is to navigate to your Facebook app on your PC or phone, and then you need to head over to your profile, and then you go to settings and privacy, and then you'll go to settings. And then you go to account center. Notice this section here called account center. You press on see more about account center. Then when you reach over to this page, you'll select the account that you like to change the name to, and you'll go to the name. Once you are here to the name, you will select the name that you like to delete. For mine, I'll delete this name here. And you need to put maybe a full stop in the end or a comma, and you just select the name that you like to change. If you like to change the other one, you can also change. And then you need to press here on review change. Now, if you notice here, if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. This is because of safety reasons. So you need to take note of that. So if you want to change your name, you need to make sure that this is your final decision and you're not planning on changing the name again. So all your name will be automatically updated. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.